Hey kids! Today for our check-in video, I'm going to let you watch my poor rapping and name pronunciation. Sorry, Verena. It is Mr. Stracky's fault for making me nervous. Also, great job to Mr. Seehoff for putting this on. In other school news, we just have 10 days left. Make sure you're getting everything turned in. Other than that, have a good weekend and enjoy the category for best hair.
It's now, our first category is going to be best hair. So my best hair seniors. All right, we're gonna have Simon Antonio is gonna be joining us. Simon. And Topher Garcia is gonna be joining us. Make sure when you join, you have to unmute. Why does it keep doing that? Mr. Spears will be going away in a second. Oh, you have to unmute and show your video. Ryan, Myozy. Hey, Topher.
Hey, Mr. Sia.
Ryan's coming up. Topher, do you have anything you want to share with your classmates as I'm doing this? Any messages?
JD's got no hair.
What's up?
I don't know. I'm being put on the spot here.
I know. Brian, what about you? How's quarantine life going?
It's pretty boring. There's not much going on.
And we also have for the ladies, there he is.
Yo, what's up, Simon?
Simon, you always have plenty to say.
can't see
Simon, what do you have
anybody
to say to your class?
I can't see anybody else. What's going on?
Just talk to them.
Oh, my classmates. I want to say shout out to Weaving, all my boys in Weaving, and this year kind of sucks, but it's all right.
We're making the best of it. This is the positive experience, Simon.
Yeah. What?
All right, Maddie Farrell's joining us, and last but not least, Miss Emily Howell will also be joining. All right. Now to present best hair, we have two candidates who you might find surprising. The first one, actually, here's a throwback picture. I'm going to zoom in on the camera. Oh, it's not going to load. There he is. Anyone recognize that?
Can't see anybody.
Can't see on your phone?
No.
That
Like
actually
no.
is our very own Mr. Jeff Rhodes, when he had hair. So Rhodes, welcome to the panel. And joining him, if you don't know, this person just did a charity fundraiser for the Cleveland Food Bank, and that is our very own Mr. Joe Saraki. So make sure you unmute and then start your video, gentlemen. You're still muted, Saraki.
One thousand and one, 1002, 1003. I wasn't expecting company. I don't know if you heard, I just did over 1,000 curls. Thursday's arms and back. What a deep burn. It's a deep burn. I can barely lift my right arm. You got your bicep connects to your dorsimus muscle. It's all very boring. It's part of my life, though.
I'm going to do my workout here, Mr. Strachey. 1,
The guns throughout the day.
2, 3, 4.
I have a small request, Mr. Seha.
Yeah.
I wrote a song. It's about hair, social distancing. I'd like to dedicate it to the class of 2020 if Mr. Rhodes would assist me.
I suppose we have time. Make it
Okay.
double time song.
All right, double time. Mr. Rhodes, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. I throw my hair, toss, check emails. Rhodesy, how you feeling?
Feeling pretty well.
Check my emails. Rhodesy, how you feeling?
Feeling pretty well.
Child, tired of this quarantine. Go and dust your shoulders off. Keep her to learning. Yes? Oh, trying to make some new lessons. In here, Zoom, they're gonna answer questions. Come now, come bring your Chromebook. You know it's start. You can Google Classroom. I know it's hard, but you have to try. If you need advice, so let me simplify. The school is closed, you're feeling bored. Too bad, keep yourself indoors.
I
Rose,
do my hair, check my email. Stracky, how you feeling?
feeling pretty well.
Do my hair, Tosh, check my email. Stracky, how you feeling?
Pretty well. Feeling pretty well. That's it. That's all I got.
Thank you, Mr. Saraki. Smattering of applause.
All right, we ready for the nominees then?
I think so, yes.
All right. So for best hair for the boys, we have starting Simon Antonio. Wait a second. Simon Antonio? Is this
Correct.
best hair or strongest senior boy category?
Oof.
I mean, at least best squat form. Not that I would know. I mean, it turns out, you can look this up, squat is not an arm workout. Okay? Not an arm workout. We also have Topher Garcia and Brian Miosi. Should I announce the winner now, or should we wait till the end, Mr.
Let's
Cia?
do the lady nominees. Mr. Rose, do the ladies.
And the nominees for the most important award tonight, best hair for the ladies, are Verena Baskron, Maddie, is that Pharrell? I think that's related to some rapper, not sure, and Emily Howe.
All right. And the winners?
For the boys, we have Simon Antonio.
Oh,
Yay, Simon. Congratulations.
woohoo!
And for the ladies, Miss Baskron, congratulations.
Woo, Verena. All right, and we have plenty of surprise guests. And actually, Verena, you get a surprise guest. So one of the people you requested was able to make it. They're here to congratulate you. Please welcome to the stage, Mrs. Amy Vance. Amy Vance, unmute and send and show your video, dear.
I'm trying.
Oh, geez, Mrs. Vance.
It says the host has denied me.
I have not denied your video.
Host disabled attendee screen sharing. Oh, there we go.
Oh, God. Hey, Mrs.
Here
Vance.
I am. Hi,
Hi, Mrs. Vance.
Verena. I'm jealous of your hair. I have not
Thank
been
you.
to the hairdresser in I don't know how long. I wish I had your curls.
Oh, thank you.
But before everybody else gets on, I just want to say how proud I am of you. I want to extend my sincerest congratulations to you. It has been an honor knowing you, and I know that your future is going to be super bright, and I can't wait to see what you do with it.
Thank you so much. I miss you so much.
Just you too. Hey, if I'm ever in the neighborhood, I'll
No,
stop
I'll
over and
say
see
hi.
ya once this quarantine thing's over.
All right. Congrats again, Verena. And